Hi, today I'm going to be making Bittermelon and Egg Stir Fry. These are the ingredients that you'll need, so let's get started. So let's start with first 2 eggs, and let's put in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or some liquid aminos. Add in 1 tablespoon of milk and stir that a little bit. And now we're going to add in salt and pepper to taste. And we're ready to take it to the pan. So add some avocado oil. I'm going to add some chopped garlic here. Heat that up. And I'm going to add in my sliced bitter melon. I'm going to add in a little bit of water, 2 tablespoons. And add in 1 teaspoon of mushroom seasoning. Now we're going to add in our egg mixture. Kind of just stir that in there. And add in the chopped green onions. And add in some cilantro. And let it cook. So I'm going to close the lid for a few minutes to let that cook a little bit more. And just let's make sure everything is fully done. Hope you enjoyed this great, simple bittermelon recipe. It's full of vitamins, minerals, as well as antioxidants. So enjoy, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.